Okay, first set of switches. This turns all the coach batteries on or off. Leave it on. I leave the power step off, so when I'm parked I open the door once and it stays open. On means every time I open and close the door, it goes in and out. We have awnings over the door, extend and retract, master lights for the inside, door and porch lights. Going inside, there's our Starlink. Ooh, nice, fancy. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, air conditioned. This runs the step cover. I'm running it out, see? So if you're driving, it makes it go flat. It's pretty trick. The driver's fan runs that fan up there. The solar shade, that's the night shade right there. Start the generator in the front or in the back. Handy if you want to run the air conditioner when it's hot, start it from here. The map light overhead, and this makes it so you can run the radio when you're parked off of the chassis battery, not the coach battery. Okay, driving it. Turn the key. Let it sit for a moment. The alarm's going off because the jacks are down. That's normal. When the dash no longer yellow, start it up. The engine's in the back, so we won't hear it very much. Has cruise control, stereo controls, and the important thing to remember is this little puppy here. To go up turns off the exhaust brake. To turn it down goes on the exhaust brake. So off, on. You can see what happens here too. Off, on, off, on. This is super important if you're going down the hill. It's a steep hill. If you use only the brakes, you put yourself and everybody else at risk. So do not do that. And to push it in and out is the manual shifter too. I usually just put it in drive. Lights. And the leveling system. When you get to where you're going, press auto level first and let it go do its thing. And it's leveled when all the red lights are on like that. And then when you're ready to go, just press auto store and then it'll lower itself and start to drive away. Inverter controls. Okay, it's charging now. It has solar panels also. And these are how you run the awning in and out. We've got a drop down bunk. You flip these levers on both sides, it falls down. It can sleep one person up here. The sofa. Flip up this tricky lever, pull it out. There's a cushion here and a cushion in the back. This makes it into a big L-shaped cushion. When you load it, load the light stuff up on top, the heavy stuff down below. Fireplace works as a heater. TV, I love my recliner. Kitchen, all the regular stuff. We have a full refrigerator. The shower door, make sure this latch stays closed or it ends up like this when you travel. It's not a catastrophe, but it's noisy. Yeah. And then the control panels. Okay, we're on the home button here now. We have the temperature, lighting, starts off the generator, the battery conditions, the hot water is on. Here's where we control the lights, and if you hold on something here, they're on dimmers. Cool, huh? Turn that off. Air conditioners need to be plugged into 50 amp for them to work or run the generator. This runs the overhead fan there, and in the bathroom and that fan.
There's something in.
And this controls the rear slides to extend and retract. In order for them to work, you have to have the ignition system on. It is not, which is why the red light is flashing. And then when they both go green, then it's ready to go. And these are different settings. That's just about it. So if any questions, issues, problems, call me, text me. But that's basically how you work everything. Oh yeah, in a pantry. Heavy stuff goes in the pantry. All right, have a good trip.